Hi, welcome to my channel Too Irrational. I'm Pranay Sharma, and in this video we'll talk about what we should do on the day of the examination of IFOA CM1. I'll talk about everything we should do before the examination, during the examination, and after the examination. So the things you should keep ready before the examination, just make a folder of CM1 where I have kept things separately for paper B, and whatever notes, books you need to keep with you while your examination is going on. You can keep any notes you have made, physical, digital, but make sure you're not directly copying pasting from your notes, because even though it might be in some places they have said that they will allow it, but it is very difficult for them to know whether you have copied from some other sources or from your own notes. So my recommendation would be that do not copy directly from your notes. Do not make a Word file with all your formulas and then just copy paste. Do not do that. Okay, you can refer to it and type it in your Word file. That is allowed. So I've kept the actual formula table book handy and my CM1 book handy. If I had more notes, I would have kept it here. You can keep physical notes as well. Then you should always have some rough papers ready with you. Okay, for work, definitely pen and your calculator. Then just before the examination, maybe 15 minutes, maybe half an hour before, what you should do is you should make your file. So new, and I will make my Word file here. Okay, so Microsoft Word document. In this, how should you name it? So they have given us instruction on how should we name it. We'll first write our ARN underscore the subject underscore the diet we are in. So right now we are going to give a paper of September 2021, and then paper 1 or paper 2 depending on paper A, paper B. Okay, so accordingly, let's say my ARN is 1 2 3 4 5 6 and then underscore. I will say this is CM1A underscore of September 2021. Okay, and then underscore paper 1. This is what we will write for our paper 1. Okay, paper A. Then you should do a few things inside the Word document. So open it up. Then first thing you should do is go to File and Options. In this Options, you should go to the proofing section. In this proofing section, go to the autocorrect option. In this, what I prefer is that I remove this capitalization, correct two initial capitals, then capitalize first letter, then capitalize first letter of the table, and correct accidental use of caps lock keys. I remove these because many times we write stuff that should not be capitalized, right? Like I is equals to, and as soon as you write I is equals to, it capitalizes your I. Okay, when you are writing annuity, so when you write small a, it capitalizes it because it is the first letter of the sentence. So what happens is we should not make such mistake. That is why I'm removing all the capitalization stuff. You can even remove this capitalized names of the day. Okay, does not matter. Okay. Then I'll press OK. And here in proofing, I'll go down and I will click hide spelling errors in this document, hide grammar errors in this document, because I don't want it to show that red line and blue line. It becomes difficult for me to assess what I have written. Okay. So then go to the save part and make sure that this save auto recovery information every 10 minutes, make it let's say 5 minutes or maybe 3 minutes. Don't make it 1 minute or something, because then while you're writing your examination, it will keep on saving and it might hang your computer. So 5 minutes, good enough. Every 5 minutes it will keep auto saving, and by any chance your computer shuts down or for some reason electricity goes away, and that is why you will have to recover your Word file. You can recover it from this particular address, whatever this is. You can change this as well, but you should keep it as it is and you will find your file there. Okay, but of course you should also keep on saving the file. You should not you should practice this. After every 2 minutes, 3 minutes, click Ctrl S, save the file. Okay, so I'll press OK here, and I am ready with everything that I need to do before the examination. Just make sure that you are not writing anything on header. You are not required to write anything related to your name, ARN, or anything that will specify which candidate is writing the paper inside the paper. So nothing on header, nothing in your writing. You should never use your ARN or your name. You can definitely change the margin if you want. I prefer narrow margins. It's up to you. You can keep it as it is. But if you want to change the margin, I think in layout we have margin here. I prefer narrow margins. It's up to you. No problem there. But they have also recommended that we should use the font or the font size in such a way that it should be readable. So there is no restriction on font or font size. It's just should be readable. Leave it as it is. Leave Calibri, leave 11. Don't tinker with it a lot. You can change it a little bit, maybe Arial, maybe Times New Roman if you prefer, but don't change. I would not change it. No problem there. But they have also recommended that the spacing between lines should be 2. So for that, just click here, line spacing, and click 2. Okay. So what happens is now whatever you write, enter, there will be a big gap. No problem there. Okay. But it's okay. That is what they have recommended. Now this is all you should do before you start your examination. Now let's talk about downloading our paper. For downloading the paper, you will be going to onlinepracticalexam.org.uk. You can save this as a bookmark or something, but I think you have this on your email as well. Okay. Then when you enter your ARN and password, you will get an SMS. You should do this maybe 15 minutes before the examination, not exactly on the time of the examination, because you can do this just before the examination as well. Then after you are done with it, if by chance you forgot your password, you can go for reset password. Okay. And after resetting password, it will send you an email that will allow you to reset your password, and then you can log in. And when you log in, it will give you it will send you an SMS with the OTP. You will have to log in, verify. Okay. And then you will get a page something like this. Okay, where you will have some exam material if it is relevant to your examination. Okay, and exam paper. This exam material is not relevant for CM1 A examination, but it might be relevant for CM1 B examination. So I'm not sure whether they will give you the Excel files that we'll need to download in this exam material, or whether they will give you with the exam paper. Most likely they might give you here in exam material. You should download it if it is available. Okay, you can do that beforehand. You don't need to wait till the exam date for downloading this exam material. Okay, so check that whether they have given you the Excel files beforehand or not. Okay. Then on the day of the examination, as soon as the time of your examination reaches, you will find that this will also turn blue. Like this has turned blue, this will also turn blue, where you can download the exam paper. Okay. If it does not happen, refresh the page, maybe log in again, and you will find the examination. You have 3 hours and 20 minutes for your examination. So you can start your examination as soon as exam paper is available, and you can use 3 hours and 20 minutes exact. Okay. As soon as 3 hours and 20 minutes ends, you should save your file for the last time and do not save it after that. Do not write anything after that. Do not save after that, because they can check your save time and it should not be beyond the examination time. Then you have here download paper section. In that, like here they have shown you to download the paper. You can download the paper here, and later on you can upload your paper here. Now after your 3 hours and 20 minutes are over, you will get another 30 minutes to upload your examination. Okay, so you have a lot of time to upload. Don't panic, but upload it as soon as possible. For uploading, the section where you downloaded your examination, you have option for uploading. Okay, you will click browse and select the file, and then you will see the file name here, okay, that you have selected. You can preview the file. That means you can see what you have uploaded to check whether you have uploaded the correct file or not. And then after you are done, you will click the upload check button, or just upload. I think it's not upload check, it will just be upload button here. Now if that is done, it will show you something messages like this till the time it is uploading the file. And then when you are done with this is the preview of your file, what you have, I think, shown. You can see the preview like this. Okay, and when you're done with it, when you click upload, you will get a message like this: thank you for uploading your submission, this has been accepted and submitted for grading. So this is how you will get an message before you close your window. If you're not getting such message, or 30 minutes are over and you could not upload for some reason, you should contact IFOA directly. This is the number they have given you to contact. Okay, so you should call them and ask them what to do next. They will give you, and first of all, you will have to show them some kind of a proof. So let's say if your internet goes out, or maybe electricity goes out, or somehow your computer is not responding, you should click a photo of it. Okay, keep your phone with you, click a photo of it, that at this time this is the problem that happened. This is the proof that you will have to submit them. So without proof, they will not be accepting your paper if you could not upload it in those 30 minutes. So keep a proof of it. Okay, and then you will have to call here. It might take some time because a few people might have such problems. That is why they have increased the upload time from 15 to 30 minutes, because they understand a lot of students have such problems. So call, try again and again if they are not picking up, or if it is busy. Okay, and then they will guide you what to do next, where to send your script. Make sure you have not saved it again after the examination has ended, because if you do, they will not be accepting your answer sheet. So please make sure you have saved it only within the time limit of the examination, that is your 3 hours and 20 minutes, and not after that. Now I think I forgot a very important thing that you should keep with you, that is your water bottle, because you will definitely be thirsty in those 3 hours and 20 minutes. Or maybe in paper B also you have 1 hour 50 minutes to solve your examination. So for 1 hour 50 minutes or your paper B, the download and upload works very similarly. They will be giving you an Excel file that in which you will be writing your answers. Okay, you should name the Excel file very similar to what you have named here, Word file. Just the difference would be CM1B and paper 2. Okay, for that, your ARN underscore CM1B underscore September 2021, and then underscore paper 2. Again, whatever material you want to refer in your paper 2, that is your paper B examination, you can refer. There is no restriction on it. Okay, so these are all the things you should keep in mind before your examination, during your examination, and after your examination. I wish you luck for your examination, and I'll see you in next video.